Hi everyone! In this video, we will show you how to create a GitHub repository. Creating a GitHub repository is a fundamental step if you want to start a new project, contribute to open source projects, or store code and collaborate with others. So visit github.com in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to your GitHub account. Once you're in, click on this icon from your top right corner. Then click on Your Repositories. Here, click on the New button. To create a new repository, first add repository name. Then add a short description about it. Right below it, select the privacy for your repository. Then you need to select Initialize this repository with. If you're starting a new project, you can choose to add a README file, which is often a good practice. You can also select a license for your project. For example, MIT, Apache, etc. Adding a license is important if you want to share your project with others and make it clear how they can use your code. You can choose to create a .gitignore file for specific programming languages or frameworks to ignore certain files when tracking changes. Once done, click on Create Repository. Your new repository will be created. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.